This is Edie with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making French toast casserole. Now, of course, as always, simple ingredients.
Bread pudding!
The ingredients are the same as if you would do a bread pudding. So I think the only difference between a French toast casserole and a bread pudding, please correct me in the comments below, is that one is baked, one is pan fried, and one has more soaking of the bread. Drone footage. And let me know in the comments below. Please do us a huge favor, click that like button, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to cook. It is Christmas morning. We are having some friends from our next campsite over for Christmas breakfast. Stay tuned. I am going to cook.
I still think it's a bread pudding.
I don't care what you call it, but wait, let me clean that up a little bit.
Well, I need
before
to
you take a picture.
I need to take a picture.
Hits everybody, and that's just
The assessment is it's like a bread pudding or a monkey bread.
And you're like, wait, you knocked him out.
We're gonna call it
So they
French
were,
toast casserole.
And they said, wow.
I think it's a bread
Wouldn't
pudding.
it be funny if there was a
Very
penalty
delicious,
for being an
especially with.
So they had the archangel. She's brought her welder, and so if you
So that's the end of our video.
like hit another
I'm glad I got
car,
to speak
they
on
would
it for a
put
change.
spikes on the inside
And
of your,
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. If you're watching this
number,
in
so
June
we
of
hit your
next year,
radiator.
Happy summer.
You'd be out, not the person.
See ya.